As everyone's getting hold of the Flip 4 orders, I thought we should take an in-depth look at possibly the best case you can get for the phone, the official ring case. Now, the ring case was introduced on the Flip 3 and became quite the fan favourite, so I'm really glad to see it on the Z Flip 4 as well. We have today the Bora Purple, Arctic Blue, Khaki. However, you can also get other versions of the case in pink, navy and a clear one. Links to those cases are posted in the description below. I must say, the simplicity of Samsung's official cases never fail to amaze me. I think the overall look of them is simple yet stylish. It's classy, but you can tell that it's made by high quality materials by just looking at them. Talking of the materials, you find a lot of the time with silicone cases that become a little bit sticky over time and almost too grippy, to the point that when removing them from your pocket, it's a nightmare and you find no end of lint attached to it. However, you'll be happy to know this doesn't apply to this case, as it has the perfect balance of grip and functionality. The smooth texture feels great in the hands, all while also feeling secure. The front screen of the Flip is exposed, so you can use it without any problems. There is a slight lip to protect it, which I like because it doesn't restrict you when swiping. It also protects the front cameras slightly too, and means that it doesn't matter if you place your phone face down on a table. The same goes for the lock button and fingerprint reader. There is a bezel to protect it, but it doesn't get in the way when you use it. This is thanks to the beveled edge around it. This means you can unlock and lock your phone with ease. The volume rocker is covered, however, by the case. You can still adjust the volume like before due to the silicone being nice and flexible in this area. It would have been nice for the cutout just to extend up to the volume rocker, or if they put a plastic button on instead, like they do with the leather cases. The spine of the Flip is vulnerable to damage as it's not covered by the case. This is a slight downside, but with a phone of this design, it's quite hard to avoid it without affecting the way you open and close the Flip. I wonder if they could have extended this bit of material all the way across the spine. However, I don't know if that would have affected how you open it. Now, let's move on to the main selling point of this case, the ring on the back. If you're someone who sways towards cases with a pop socket or a similar style, this could be the case for you. By putting your finger through the ring, you'll be able to increase the security of your phone when scrolling. I mean, we've all been there when we've been scrolling on social media while laying down. Next thing you know, your phone has fallen onto your face. Well, this case will stop that from ever happening again, so it's completely foolproof. This isn't the only reason for the ring. I personally wouldn't use it for this, but you can also attach things to the handset or attach the handset to something else. You can use a carabiner to attach items to your bag or belt. However, really, I doubt anyone's going to be using it this way. Inside, you will find some adhesive to stick each side of the case to the Flip 4 to ensure it doesn't slip out. A negative to the ring is that when you lie your phone flat on a table, it will rock around. This is a little pet peeve of mine though. You can, however, still use the phone in desktop mode, so you can still take those hands-free selfies. Overall, Samsung have once again produced a great looking case that provides a reasonable amount of protection to your handset. And let's not forget, the ring on the back does help you stop dropping your phone in the first place. I think this is a great purchase and probably one of the best cases you can get for the Flip 4. If you want to buy any of these cases, check out the links in the description below. And if you want more Flip 4 videos, make sure you like and subscribe.